Alright guys, we're going to show you how we've repaired this BMW Dent without repainting this vehicle. We're using some lateral tension from the sides, and we're also going to add some tension from the inside of the panel using some hydraulics. And with that tension applied, we're going to knock some of the pressure out of this panel and get it flowing in a sense, get the metal moving. And you can see it's coming along pretty nice. This is a Kingslayer PDR rod with a lead tip on the end of it, and the lead is actually designed to almost act like a soft tip from the back side. It just is a very soft material, and it does kind of conform to the panel, allowing us to really push out what we need to in these areas without harming the factory paint. See, it's coming along really nice. Got a leverage setup right there. Went from this to this in a matter of hours without repainting this vehicle. This is always going to be the best quality auto body repair solution out there. If you can have it done this way, this repair was done roughly in about 8 hours, and this vehicle is back to the way it was before it was damaged. If you want to take your PDR skills to the next level, I'll be teaming up with the PDR College this year for the 2024 Advanced Skills Seminar. You can sign up at thepdrcollege.com. We'd love to see you there. If you're looking for in-person training, I offer that as well. Thanks for watching, guys.